Dynamically cut.
Can your machine process fitness equipment?
With the development of economy and society, people have high expectations for health and fitness. Fitness has become a fashion. In the meantime, the demand for metal pipe processing increased rapidly. As for some fitness equipment like spinning, CR boards, and other outdoor fitness equipment, these pipes are need to be cut and punched. So you guys must be very curious. How does these pipes process? Now, let me show you. One of the most popular cutting machines in the fitness industry. That is our pipe laser cutting machine. It has more efficient and accurate performance, and the cutting effect is excellent. Traditional pipe cutting requires a saw blade for cutting and then punching, while the laser cutting machine does not need to after these procedures. It not only can cut various shapes of pipes, such as round pipes, square pipes, oval pipes, and other special shape pipes, but also can carry out arbitrary complex graphic processing on the pipe surface. No graphic restrictions. What's more, the pipes do not need secondary processing or just need to do some simple processing after cutting. And the subsequent welding can be carried out immediately. It greatly shortens the production period. High laser cutting machine highlights its advantage in fitness industry. Number 1. High precision. It adopts the same feature system. Multiple processing steps can be achieved at one time. Number 2. High efficiency. It is capable of cutting several pipes in 1 minute, hundreds of times faster than traditional manual method. Number 3. Flexibility. It can process various shapes. Number 4. Bench processing. Our machine can easily complete the clamping positioning of several meters of pipe, which makes bench processing possible. After watching this video, I believe you must have a better understanding of our pipe laser cutting machine. Any questions, feel free to leave your comment below. Just follow us. See you in next video.